Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our mini Mondays. So I have $40 here. I have 5 spicy fives that I'm just gonna mix into my ones. So happy Monday, everyone. I hope y'all are having a great day, a good start to your week, and that you had a good weekend. I lost my thumbnail. That is the downside of doing your own nails at home, is that they are always popping off. But that's okay. Okay, so if you're new here, we save money, or I should say I save money. I say we, I think, because I'm talking about us, like we're all in this together. But I save money in this binder for upcoming sinking funds for the next month. So we have 6 challenges here, and I just roll a die, and whatever number that die says is how many bills the challenge gets. So this is the last mini Monday of June, and so after this we'll be able to reallocate all of these savings from our completed challenges that we completed in June, and that's always an exciting time. Oh, okay, so this one got the first spicy 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a second spicy 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this cute little trinket dish that I got at Five Below that I have my paper clips in now. Wait, did I change? No, I need to switch to challenge 2. Sorry, my bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last $2, well, let's see. Unless we get a 1. Oh, perfect. The last 2 are going to challenge number 3. Okay, so let's take a look at what we were able to save this week. See if we can complete any challenges. All right, so this first challenge here is by Anna Banana Budgets. We saved, today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So each of these suns is 3. So let's do 2 suns. Ari and I just got back from the car wash. I took some of my car maintenance money out to go through the car wash, mostly just because I wanted like the big vacuum. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It is worth it to me to pay for that, just to be able to vacuum out my car easily and not have to like lug out my Dyson like to the parking lot and do it like in my apartment complex. That would just feel so weird to me. And also they have like the spray there, and Aria loves going through the car wash, so it's fun. Oh, this first challenge, no, I did tell you it was from Anna Banana Budgets. Okay, this second challenge is by Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting. I wanted to use this one before June is officially over because I think it's so cute. So we're gonna use it. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13. Okay, so I think we're gonna make each item 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All right, so that was challenge number 2. Challenge number 3, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 1 more to finish this. I'm gonna steal a one that was supposed to go back to the bank to finish this one, guys, before June is over. Okay, so in this challenge, which is by the Mrs. Champion, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. I'm filming this on Friday. I'm trying to get ahead because at the end of the month, there's always way more challenges to film, or like way more videos to film with like the monthly closeout and all that. And I'm also going to be adding a new video where I do this binder by, why am I putting it back in there? Hello. Oh, we finished one challenge. All right, so I'm also going to be adding a video where I do this binder by Norelli's Budgets. And once we finish it, it's going to go towards like a month ahead savings, because I really want to start that, and I wasn't quite sure how to do it. So I think that will be my strategy, because I've seen people do like the snowball method where they work on, you know, they do like $3 for each category. I think I really just want to save, like, I like making progress. So I think if I can finish this book and even like maybe do it a few times, and every time I finish it, put big chunks towards my monthly goals, I think that'll be more motivating for me, if that makes sense. Okay, this challenge by Joe at CBA Mom Saves, we saved $5. So let's do, oh, there's a 3, perfect, 3 and 2. And so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I think for me, that'll be more motivating instead of doing like smaller amounts each week, because also like I really don't want to add like a weekly video, like another weekly video, because I feel swamped as it is with the videos that I do. Even though I don't post on Thursdays, and I only sometimes post on Saturdays, I just feel like I'm at capacity. But this one could be like monthly. So it could be like I'm going to save up money for the whole month, and then at the end of the month, I'll do whatever I can in the book. And then once I finish the book, I'll put all that towards monthly savings. So it'll be like a random video every once in a while, at least once a month, hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. This challenge is by Reynolds Budget. I don't know why my voice sounds so weird. Let me drink some water. Okay. This challenge is by Reynolds Budget. We saved $4 each. Popsicles too, but we already got all the popsicles. So there we go. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. All right. So yeah, yesterday got this cute dish at Five Below. Aria and I went. She had money that she wanted to spend. So she was looking around and I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it because it's so cute. I just love it so much. And it was only $5. So I need to take that out of my household fund. All right, so 5, 6, 7, and 8 is what this challenge got by Let It Be Budgets. I don't think this is, oh, it is the same yellow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I've been doing pretty good this week with not spending. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is what this has now, except for this. Aria and I have eaten most of our meals at home. I spent like $50 on groceries at the beginning of the week. We made tacos and we had leftover taco meat for like 3 other meals. And then, you know, I would make quesadillas with like the leftover shells and everything. So I've really been trying to focus on like using what I have and not going out to eat. Because the beginning of this month with my traveling and everything, just, I know I overspent. So I need to play catch up a little bit. All right, so one challenge completed today, and good progress made on some of these other challenges. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you subscribe and stick around to see my monthly closeout, because I'm going to be posting that next, and it's very exciting. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you for the next video. Bye.